Storm is still moving more north, but Louisiana has a long road to recovery. No doubt they're going to need some help. Audrey joins us now with more on the Texas effort to help those folks. Audrey.
That's right, Barry. Recovering in the aftermath of a hurricane, like so many know, is never an easy task, which is why KENS 5 is teaming up with our sister station across Texas for Texas Cares Hurricane Ida Relief. Money raised will go to the American Red Cross Ida relief efforts. There are 3 ways that you can donate. First, you can text the word Ida to 210-366-0020, or just open up your camera and scan the QR code that you see here, and you're going to get a direct link where you can donate. Or you could just go to kens5.com/donate. So lots of ways to give. Also, we do know San Antonio is a very generous city, so we are hoping to see as many people as possible pitch in. Every little bit helps as Louisiana and Mississippi deal with the aftermath of Hurricane Ida.
Yeah, definitely. And there are always so many people who do want to help. They're just trying to find a way, or a safe way, a trustworthy way that they can do so. So thanks for all that info.
Yeah.
Boy,